Welcome, Hare Krishna, welcome to rajaboga.com. Today I would like to show you how to make one of the curries. And the main ingredients of this curry is going to be freshly made paneer. A recipe in this for this subji curry is in our cookbook on page 64 and a third chapter. The main ingredients, obviously, for this curry subji is milk. We just blended tomatoes, 8 tomatoes, between half cup up to 1 cup of washed frozen peas, and fresh dhania to garnish by the end. So first we'll make paneer. If you want to make paneer, the best is to choose the pot with a thick bottom, and to prevent burning, you cover the pot with a little bit of water on the bottom. We need, for this particular recipe, we need, I would say, up to 4 liters of milk. So measurement is inside. You can see it, more or less 3.5 up to 4 liters of milk. Okay, almost there. Yes. And we're gonna boil this milk, and when it will be boiling, we're gonna curdle the milk using the lemon juice. I would say between 300 up to 350 milliliters of lemon juice. Now we'll put on the flame. Cooking in medium flame, adjust the flame, and we'll just wait to boil. As you can see, our milk is boiling. We switch off the gas flame. I will put in the lemon juice. The amount will be around 300 up to 350 milliliters of lemon juice. Obviously, you can use the yogurt, whey, or combination of it. We need a little bit more, so we can see how clearly the paneer curd separates from the whey, until we're gonna obtain like almost transparent greenish color of the whey. Touch more. Okay, I think this is it. More or less ready. You can also use citric acid, yeah? But with citric acid you have to be careful because it's very strong, and if you put too much citric acid, the paneer will be crumbled like a semolina, yeah? So, we will take this gently, obviously, don't burn yourself, using the cloth of the flame of the cooker, and I'll bring it over to the sink. I'd like to show you how I prepare everything, yeah? So, we have muslin cloth, like cheesecloth, I have colander, and I have another bigger pot underneath to collect the excess whey. You can use the excess whey for the cooking purposes. So you can use the jug gently, or you can put it slowly, or you can fish out with a slotted spoon your paneer. With this one you have to be careful because obviously it's extremely hot. As you can see, it's all nice. Pot is not burned, which is very important, so you're gonna get the burnt flavor. Yeah? Right now, we'll leave it for a couple minutes because it's too hot to handle it. Later, we'll tie it up and we'll put some weight on it, and it'll be under the press for around 15 up to 30 minutes to get a little bit hardened. Okay, we'll show you how to tie up the paneer. We've been sitting here for a couple of minutes to cool down a little bit. Squeeze out a little bit. Tied up knot. I'm gonna place it on the chopping board in the sink. We don't need this anymore. And with the weight of the paneer, which was in the second pot underneath, I'm gonna place it on the top. And we release a little bit excess whey, and we leave it like this for 15-20 minutes to become hardened. Okay, now we'll make the chons masala for our curry sabji. Yeah. So I did put in a pot 45 milliliters of the ghee. It's melted. It's getting hot. And when it's hot enough, we'll put 1.5 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. As you can see, the cooking. You add 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger and 2 crushed chilies, and we'll add asafetida. Okay. Mix it. Not too bad. With fenugreek you have to be careful. If you get too dark, it may get bitter. And on top of this, right now, we'll add our blended tomatoes. This one you have to be careful because it may splash. Okay. Not bad. Give it a nice stir. And right now I'll add my peas. This is washed already. We'll add a salt, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Okay. We'll add turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon. Okay. And garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon. More. And if you may, you can add touch of sugar to balance the acidity of tomatoes. And this will simmer for around 10 minutes. It'll cook. And after this, we'll add chopped paneer, which is being pressed now for another 5 minutes. Okay. This has been cooking for 10 minutes, maybe 15. So right now I'll put 125 milliliters of cream in it, which is 1/2 cup. Single cream. Yes. And meanwhile, while this is simmering, I'm gonna cover up. I'll cut our paneer, which we prepared earlier on. So as you can see, looks very nice. Okay. Okay. It's fresh paneer, yeah? As you can see, I'm cutting, I would say, for around 1.5 centimeter squares. Okay. And with all this cut in, we'll add to our curry, to our subji, yes? Obviously you have to be gentle with that one, don't burn yourself. You see nice paneer, yeah? And we'll cook it for another 3-5 minutes, and then it's all done. We're gonna garnish with the fresh dhania. Okay, we cook all this subji. We garnish it with dhania. And we'll dish out. You can see it's nice and hot. Okay. And obviously you will eat this curry with the fresh chapatis. So we have shown you how to make the paneer subjis, the tomatoes and peas. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.